In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching text with gradients in Canva. We're going to keep this really simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Canva. Go ahead and open your Canva design or create a new one with any size you like. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you have some text on your canvas. You can add text by using the text option on the left-hand side, then choosing a heading, subheading, or body text and typing in your words. Now, click directly on your text so that it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the text toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This is important because the gradient options only show up when the text itself is active. With your text selected, look at the top toolbar and find the Effects button. Go ahead and click on Effects. This will open a panel on the side or just below the toolbar, depending on your screen size. Inside this panel, you'll see a variety of text effects such as shadow, lift, outline, and more. From here, choose the effect that allows you to add or simulate a gradient on your text. In many Canva layouts, gradient-like looks can be created by combining certain text effects with color changes. Select the effect that best enhances the depth and style you want for your text. Take a moment to hover over each option and notice how your text changes in real time. This preview is helpful so you can compare and pick what looks most eye-catching for your design. Once you've selected your preferred effect, look for the color options that appear above or within the effects panel. Click on the color box to open the color picker. Here, you can choose from the default colors, your brand colors, or create a custom color. Try choosing colors that contrast well with your background so your text really stands out. If your effect allows multiple colors, experiment with different combinations to get a gradient style look. For example, you might choose a lighter color for the top and a darker one for the bottom, or mix two complementary shades for a more vibrant feel. Adjust until the text feels balanced, readable, and visually appealing. When you're happy with how it looks, that's it. You've created eye-catching text with a gradient style effect in Canva, ready to use in your social posts, presentations, or any design you're working on.